We're going to honor Hanukkah. We're going to kick things off by making dreidels out of marshmallows.
Yes.
Or making marshmallows into dreidels. I don't know, but they look delicious. The finished product is over there, but we're going to start here, Arina.
Okay.
All right.
All right. So this is the hottest thing for Hanukkah on Pinterest. And of course I had to try it because I'm a Pinteraholic.
It didn't happen unless you tasted it.
Exactly.
Right.
And it's really, really good. So we are going to start out with actually 4 ingredients. That's it. And one of them are pretzel sticks, marshmallows, and Hershey's Kisses.
Okay.
And so, I, you know, had some fun with it and did Hershey's Kisses with almonds in them.
Ooh, yum.
So anyway, it adds a little crunch. But so easy. We're going to start off. We're going to take. Yep, we're going to take a pretzel stick, and you're going to
just spear it.
Spear it, but don't go all the way through.
Oh,
just sort of halfway. There you go. Perfect. Then we are going to adhere this chocolate kiss to the top of the marshmallow. And all you have to do is you just kind of dip it.
What do you have there?
These,
the blue stuff.
Blue candy melts.
And where do you get the candy melts?
You can get them at Joann's, you can get them at Michael's, you can get them anywhere. So anywhere there's a baking, like a cake decorating section.
So can you get them at the regular grocery store, or do you have to go to a specialty?
I've never seen them at a grocery store, but if they have a cake decorating section, like a craft store, then they'll have the candy melts.
Okay, got it.
And some people just use chocolate, melted chocolate. So there you go. Now you want to hold it for just a few seconds, just to give it a little bit of an adherence.
It works like
there.
glue.
It works like glue. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put it down, and then you're going to put these into the refrigerator. So the candy melts set. Otherwise, they will fall in the next step. Yes.
Sure.
So then these have been refrigerated. Or freezed, however you want to do it. And then what we're going to do.
Can you freeze them if you're in a hurry? Because sometimes I know that affects the recipe if you freeze it, but in this case it doesn't.
It didn't affect my recipe, but I'll eat anything. So anyway.
That's why I like you. Me too.
I know. So, so then you're going to dip. Now here's the technique. This is the important part. Because this is hot, because you're going to melt it, and because you have a Hershey's Kisses, you want to be able to go in and quickly dip it. So, boom, done.
Because if you linger, it'll melt the kiss.
Exactly. Now, can you do it?
Now, I'd be worried about setting it face down on the, or setting it side down on the,
now, here, you know what, don't
come off when you, would it come off on your parchment paper?
It will not, because the refrigerator is going to make sure that it sticks. Now,
so we're well, you get the gist.
Okay,
we got a bunch of finished ones here.
Yes. So
and I hold this here,
and then
so
I
you
made
can see this.
little stars of David too. You don't have to do it, but I did it with candy melts as well.
Look at this. That's a really nice work. That looks fantastic. Perfect for any Hanukkah party.
Exactly.
Any holiday party, really. You can satisfy everyone. All right, Arina Lanis, and we're not done with you yet. We have a party snack mix that you can make in a crock pot coming up, which would be fantastic. Dave.